Sharing and accessing application data is great for developers. And using a content provider, it's a piece of cake to have your app grab data or write data to a user's contacts, documents, or calendar with only a few lines of code. For example, let's say you're making a new business card reader app. The goal is to have the user take a picture of their business card with their phone, and the app will interpret the business card and automatically add the contact information to your phone's contacts. Then the user can lose the business card, but they'll still have that hard-won networking information. In order to make this app seamless for users, you need to store the new contact information in the same data source the user is already using to store their phone's contact data. This is because this is where your phone's default contact app looks for contact information to display. Now, usually data sources, like a SQLite database, are private to the app which created them. This is done for security reasons. So how do two totally different apps easily read and write from the same data source? This is where content providers come in. In short, a content provider is a class that sits between an application and its data source. And its job is to provide easily managed access to the underlying data source.